What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. Today we are at Holy Cross Cemetery out here in Culver City, I believe it is. Here with Texas Adventures of Brexton. With Desert Deb way off in the distance. And we're going to check out some graves. I've never been here before, and you haven't either, right?
First.
And I know Deb hasn't been here, so this is a first for the three of us. John Candy. It's crazy because up until about a month ago, I always thought he was in Canada.
Well, you know,
I never even thought he would be here
I wouldn't either.
in California.
What's your favorite movie from him?
Great Outdoors.
I like the when he babysits.
Uncle Buck.
Uncle Buck.
Yeah, Uncle Buck is good.
It's not
The Kenosha Kickers.
That's not a cameo.
Yeah, I don't know.
He's in a decent part of that.
Yeah.
I would say.
Think
He's
so?
the one who got her home.
Yep.
So
He's the Kenosha Kicker.
he's in other stuff.
Yeah, he's in quite a bit.
Home Alone, Uncle Buck, Down Under. This cartoon, Great Outdoors. Oh, Planes, Trains, and Automobiles.
Oh,
we
of
just
course.
watched it
Yeah,
for Thanksgiving.
of course.
Technically, that's a Thanksgiving movie.
It is a Thanksgiving movie. It's not technically, it is a Thanksgiving.
Summer Rental. We've watched that one.
Mm-hmm.
Little Shop on Horror.
Little Shop of Horrors.
Spaceballs.
Yes, how am I forgetting all these?
Splash. Vacation.
Yeah,
The Blues Brothers.
yeah. Again, guys, Fred McMurray, John Candy. Oh, you can't forget Fred McMurray's wife, Jane Haver. A great actress in her own right, but as you see guys up a little closer to John Candy.
Or they might be in the same cast. Like on top of each other. Yes.
Alright guys, so we are at Holy Cross. Oh look, it's Brexton! All the way from Texas. So he just pointed out, I knew we were gonna look for him. I didn't know he was so close, but Ray Bolger, the scarecrow from Wizard of Oz. Of course, you know, he was in other things as well. Very cool. Very, very cool. Maybe it was a little dark, but whatever. Oh wow, look, you can get way up there. Wow, this is beautiful. Dang, look at that. Come into these places, you almost can't help it. Just you have the need to stay quiet almost. So again, guys, Ray Bolger, Scarecrow from Wizard of Oz. So things have changed. We're looking for a Bela Lugosi now, huh?
Yep, that's what we're looking for. Statue showed that statue and her, and it's straight down. He doesn't say how many rows.
Can I take a look?
Wait, here we go. Here's Bing Crosby. So he's right here.
Oh, wow.
He's got to be right next to him. Oh.
Well, Brexton, you're kind of giving me a tour today, man.
Who is it?
Bean Crosby,
Okay.
Wilma Crosby. I'm assuming that's his wife. He's got his entire family here. I guess his parents.
Oh, wow. Bela Lugosi.
Actually, no, I'm not sure. Don't quote me on that, guys, but this is, you know, I guess it would be his parents. And then look at here, we got Bela Lugosi. 1882 to 1956, and he is Dracula, if I remember
black
correctly.
And white, the original black and white Dracula.
The original Dracula.
Okay, Sharon Tate is not over here.
No, she's on the opposite
Yep.
side of the grotto.
So Bela Lugosi. I'm not sure who they are.
Here we are at Holy Cross Cemetery.
Oh, the Crosby.
Found Bela Lugosi,
Crosby.
like the video shows. You go straight from the grotto.
Bing Crosby.
Statues and come straight
Wow.
down. There he is.
At the time of Bela Lugosi's death, he was broke. I forget who it was, but somebody actually paid for that, from what I understand. So Brexton, through your hard work, you found Sharon Tate.
Yeah.
Very cool. And look at baby Jesus.
Is the baby there? What?
Did I bring baby Jesus?
Well, if you didn't, there's two right there.
That's true, but I have my own. Oh, there's two baby Jesuses. I didn't see that.
I thought those were yours, dude.
No.
Where is it?
Mine's in my pocket.
Right there.
Oh, yeah, look at
Little
Paul.
baby Jesus. Oh, Paul Richard Polanski.
Yeah,
Their
two
baby.
baby Jesus. Those aren't your baby
No,
Jesus.
I don't have my.
I thought they were his too.
Oh, I didn't lose them.
Who's buried with her? Dora? Oh, her mom.
Sweet little
Yeah, I
baby
believe it
Jesus.
is her mom, and obviously their son. That's crazy. Sharon Tate.
Yeah.
It's so crazy to actually see in person.
Here we go, Sharon Tate, guys. Oh my
Who do you-
words, baby Jesus, who do you have next to you? Is that your cousin? Hi, baby
Because where his
Jesus.
grandma's buried
Good to see
is
you.
a tree,
Oh my
so we got her
word.
wind chime, so she loves wind
Take
chime.
care, baby Jesus. Watch over
And
her.
so, we got
That's
it.
funny.
That's
He
my-
hung it up on the
Sure.
tree where his grandma's buried.
What?
She was asking what I was looking at, and I said it probably goes with her because when we went to see grandma, we got a wind chime
Oh
and
yeah.
hung it in the tree.
Put it in their tree. Yeah. Yeah, my grandparents are buried right under a tree.
Yeah,
See what we have left over here.
which is nice
Yeah.
when we do go visit.
Yeah.
Is
We need to.
Doris the mom?
I think it's Sharon Tate's mom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So was Sharon Tate? Was she married to her baby daddy?
Sharon Tate Polanski. She's got his
Yeah.
last name, so obviously.
Yeah, they were married.
Where's he buried, or is he still alive?
He lives in France. He's a pedo, so he left the country.
What?
Jack
I
Hazel.
You
didn't
didn't
know
know
that.
he's a pedo. He,
I didn't.
a 13-year-old. He got her drunk, and you didn't know that?
No.
I didn't
yeah,
know
he's
it.
a pedo.
Bing
He
Crosby
won't
should
come
be
here.
around here,
He
and-
left because
Oh,
they knew they were going to arrest
So
him.
he's wanted here.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah, he's a freaking pedo.
I had no idea.
Uh-huh.
And how old is he now?
He's 80 something. He's in his 80s now.
Oh, they probably wouldn't do anything anyway.
Jimmy Durante. So I don't know too much about him. I'm gonna let Braxton explain it while he's filming his.
Here's the grave of Jimmy Durante, famous comedian. He had a line that he always said, "Ah-cha-cha-cha, I got a million of them." That was one of his lines. Somebody's going to correct me on that, I'm sure, but okay, that's all I know. But he's a great actor, great comedian, in a lot of black and white films. But here's the final resting place of Jimmy Durante.
So she's supposed to be here somewhere. Rita Hayworth. See, I'm not sure what her grave looks like, but I guess I gotta.
Found it.
Did you? Oh, there you go. Wow, that is a very, very plain headstone there.
Yeah.
Rita Hayworth. October 17th, 1918 to May 14th, 1987. Oh, very cool. Very, very cool. And we just found together the grave of Jack Haley. And he was the Tin Man on
Wizard of Oz.
Wizard of Oz, right?
Yep.
Wow,
I don't have any lines for that.
yeah. But Jack Haley. And he got his son, Jack Haley Jr. Wow.
Got some oil for him.
Yeah.
A little can of oil for the Tin Man.
Yeah, I would imagine right now he's pretty stiff.
This must be his mother.
Oh yeah, 1868, 1953, Ellen Haley. Jack Haley, he was the Tin Man, the Tin Man in the Wizard of Oz. He actually almost wasn't the Tin Man. Buddy Epson was supposed to be the Tin Man, but he was allergic to the aluminum makeup. I'm sure it's probably a different wording for the makeup he was allergic to. He was allergic to it. He couldn't breathe, and it was even said that he had trouble breathing from that point on until the end of his life because of that makeup. And you know, there's so many things revolving that movie, The Wizard of Oz. It would take its own entire video to explain all the stuff, all the weird happenings that would go on or has happened in that movie. Like the little snow scene when they're singing one of the songs. You see snow in the movie, it's asbestos. And then there's the thing where they were drugging Judy Garland to keep her awake, and the munchkin that hung himself in the movie. I don't know if I believe that one, but there is footage of that online before it was CGI'd out of the movie. But it is really crazy, all the all the things that revolve around that movie. It's crazy. But look at this, guys. Fake trees. Speaking of asbestos, an asbestos tree. Look at that. I think that's asbestos. Joshua, is that asbestos? Let me know, bud. Here's the grotto in question that is always referred to when you hear about Sharon Tate's grave, which is just right over here. I believe where you see those flowers, the first set. And it seems more like they've turned this into a shrine. Got an altar. Is that the correct wording, guys? An altar? You got bows everywhere in here. Looks like they still need to pick them up from Christmas. Some sort of, I don't know, maybe Jewish metal there. Oh, there's a picture of Sharon Tate right there, guys. Well, you guys may remember not all that long ago we went to the Omen house, not far from where Sharon Tate's life was taken from her. And we did a little walkthrough of the house. Mrs. 909 did a ghost hunt there, spirit box session. So if you guys are interested in that, check out that video. If I remember during the editing process, I will put a link into the movie. To the movie? I will put a link into the video. Alright guys, we got everybody over there looking at Jackie Coogan's grave. And Jackie Coogan, some of you that don't know, It was Uncle Fester from the Addams Family. So everybody's over there getting their pictures and their video. And it'll be our turn next. I heard that he was a little rascal too.
We caught Santa Claus.
Yeah. Is it true he was a little rascal too?
Yes, he was a little rascal. Which one?
One of the bunch, huh?
One of the bunch.
John
Yeah, the
Leslie
old
Coogan,
one, right?
The older one.
October 26, 1914 to March 1st, 1984. John Leslie Coogan, humanitarian, patriot, entertainer, forever in our hearts. Uncle Fester. Do you know who Lawrence Welk was?
I do. I used to watch him when I was little.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, I did. I'm that old.
So what did he have, like a...
He had a variety show with nice classic music.
Really?
Yes.
Oh, very cool.
Right.
We found him,
There
Brixton.
he is.
Braxton, do you remember Lawrence Welk? No? You
My
never
mom.
watched his
Well,
show?
I got to go to his shows in Branson. The Lennon sisters had their cousins and stuff.
I used to watch it. My parents had.
Yeah, my
turned
mom
it
and dad,
on.
that's when I watched them all the time. But then we went to Branson whenever he passed. They have a Lawrence Welk Theater there. And we went and got to see the second generation of the Lennon sisters. Lawrence Welk's grandson or something like that was directing the orchestra.
Oh, that's cool.
David, do you ever watch?
It was pretty cool.
Did you ever watch Lawrence Welk?
Oh yeah, he's still on.
There he is. Lawrence Welk. Alright guys, that's gonna do it from Holy Cross Cemetery. I'm sure there's a whole lot more people here that we didn't get to today, but it's getting late and we need an excuse to come back, so you know, let me know who we missed and who I can put in the next video down in the comments. By the way, Texas Adventures with Brexton. Cool, man. It was nice seeing you. Nice for
Seeing you.
Glad you came out.
Thank you.
And Desert Dab. Everybody go subscribe, support, and we'll see you guys in the next video.